Welcome back to Car Fusion, the ultimate hub for automotive excellence. Today, we dive into something revolutionary, something bold, something that redefines Ferrari's legacy, the Ferrari Purosangue. Yes, the prancing horse has finally stepped into uncharted territory, a luxurious, high-performance SUV that's turning heads across the globe. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear isn't just a story, it's a masterpiece on wheels. For over 75 years, Ferrari has ruled the roads with supercars sculpted for speed, elegance, and prestige. But now, the game has changed. The Ferrari Purosangue, meaning thoroughbred in Italian, isn't just another SUV, it's a Ferrari by soul, by heart, and by performance. Let's start with the design. This is not your average family hauler. The Purosangue is a sculpted piece of art, bold, aerodynamic, and ferociously attractive. At first glance, it screams Ferrari DNA, a long, muscular hood, flowing curves, and aggressive stance. The front features razor-sharp LED headlights, sleek air intakes, and a grille that looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel by perfectionists. It sits low, wide, and proud, looking more like a grand tourer than a bulky SUV. Ferrari didn't want it to blend in, they wanted it to stand out, and trust us, it does. Now, let's talk about power, because this is where the Purosangue leaves competitors in the dust. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. That's right, no downsizing, no turbo, just pure, roaring Ferrari magic. This beast delivers a mind-blowing 715 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque, launching this four-door machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. And the top speed? A heart-pounding 193 miles per hour. That's faster than some supercars, and we're talking about a vehicle with rear seats. The engine is mounted behind the front axle to ensure near-perfect weight distribution, **49:51 front to rear ***. A layout that gives this SUV sports car dynamics. Combined with a cutting-edge all-wheel drive system and active suspension, the Purosangue grips the road like it's reading your mind. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising city streets, the drive is seamless, powerful, and absolutely exhilarating. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world where luxury meets performance in perfect harmony. The cabin is nothing short of breathtaking. You won't find a massive touchscreen here. Instead, Ferrari has gone with a dual-display setup, one for the driver and one for the front passenger, each with crystal-clear digital graphics. The seats? Oh, they're sculpted like performance thrones, designed with carbon fiber and trimmed in the finest leather and Alcantara. The rear seats are independent, making the Purosangue a true four-seater with comfort, space, and class. There's even a decent-sized trunk, proving that practicality and prestige can coexist. The interior lighting is ambient and sophisticated, creating a mood that feels both elegant and sporty. Everything is driver-focused. Every button, every control, designed to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And let's not forget the sound, the symphony of that V12. No artificial noise. No digital enhancements. Just raw, mechanical music echoing from the quad exhausts. It's not just a sound, it's a Ferrari soundtrack that gives you goosebumps. Now, we know what you're thinking, Ferrari and SUVs? Isn't that a contradiction? Well, here's the truth. The Purosangue is not trying to be a traditional SUV. It's not about climbing rocks or hauling trailers. This is Ferrari's answer to luxury performance mobility, built for those who want the thrill of a supercar with the practicality of 4 doors and all-wheel drive. It goes head-to-head with Lamborghini's Urus, Aston Martin's DBX, and Porsche's Cayenne Turbo GT, but let's be honest. When Ferrari does something, they don't play catch-up. They set the bar. And with the Purosangue, they've raised it to a whole new level. This is a statement car. A bold, fearless step into the future. And yet, it honors every bit of Ferrari's past. Even the price tag speaks volumes. Starting at around $400,000, it's not for the faint of heart. But then again, owning a Ferrari was never about fitting in. It's about standing out. So, what do we think here at Car Fusion? The Ferrari Purosangue is more than just a luxury performance SUV. It's a turning point. A masterpiece of engineering, elegance, and emotion. Ferrari has proven that you can build an SUV without compromising soul, style, or speed. They've created a thoroughbred that redefines what a Ferrari can be. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the brand or just someone who appreciates groundbreaking design, the Purosangue is a triumph that demands respect. That's it for today's episode on Car Fusion. If this Ferrari thoroughbred left you speechless too, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive excellence, and ring that bell icon so you never miss a ride like this one. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive. This is Car Fusion, where every car has a story, *.